Hi everybody. So this is the last video on the little cat that I found. I found out that she is gonna be put down at the end of the day, euthanized, put to sleep. You know, I had reached out to them again to let them know that Meow Village was willing to take her, but they had already scheduled the euthanasia. So if you ever see an animal that is suffering, whether it's someone's animal or a stray, you can always try and do something about it. That animal's life deserves it. And it probably is better off for her that she's euthanized so she doesn't have to suffer that life anymore, and she can maybe come back again into another life. Not all these rescue stories are the one way of like, oh, you know, you got the animal saved and taken somewhere else and they have a new home, a new life, they're rehabilitated. Sometimes it's just a rescue story is just you paid attention. Be gentle with yourself. During this tumultuous time, just remember what you have in your life and to not take it for granted. My little boy there, as he's seeing me, he doesn't really know what I'm doing right now. So anyways, I'm gonna go play with him. I'm gonna go hold my cat tight. Goodbye.